Hi friends, I have a story about apples today. It's called Apple Farmer Annie. Annie is an apple farmer. She has a big orchard of apple trees. In the fall, she picks baskets and baskets of round, ripe apples. She grows so many kinds of apples, she sorts them and organizes them. There's yellow and red and some that have both colors. And there's a green one. Annie uses some of the apples to make sweet apple cider. Have you ever tried it? It's similar to apple juice, but it has a little ting to it. She uses others to make delicious applesauce. Look at her cook. She loves baking muffins and cakes and pies with her apples. But she saves the most beautiful ones of all to sell at the market. She loads everything in her truck and drives to the city. Annie, the apple farmer, sets up her stand in the farmer's market. Lots of customers come to Annie's stand. She is busy all day long. There's green apples and red apples and apples of two colors. By the end of the day, she has sold everything. She packs up and goes home. It says, Annie's apples, A. Annie is tired but happy. It feels so good to have her own apple farm. And then there's recipes. Enjoy, friends!